July 6th.
Step on the gas and wipe that tear away. One sweet dream came true today. Came true today.
A couple hours later. July 7. July 7, 9:14 p.m.
Get close.
July 8.
Improved.
July 9. Oh, somebody's wide awake again. Looking really nice now. Put a new clipboard in there. This one here, there's a ton of slack in that. Spring starts right there. So now he's good. Rolf is being worked on. They're looking all right so far. Making progress. Petra's hand is installed, his new one. They got two compressors working, fast is good. Duke's arm swings are now adjusted to work. His eyelid valve is out, so I don't know what they're gonna do about that. I'm gonna try and figure this out.
Okay, one of the ears is out anyway.
Do you just want to take the ear levers out? And yeah, I'm probably gonna post this. Let me tell the people why, I guess, I'm gonna post this. The mask the latex has settled. This ear looks okay, but this one is a little bit full of latex. Wait a minute.
Yeah, see what I mean?
Hold on, give me a second.
No, it's not even that. If you put the ears on, but the eyes are all the way down here.
Well, you have to stress it. You have to, it's shrunken, so you gotta pull it. Oh, they're fine. New hand installed.
Well, you want more fans, right? Right.
Trying to get this fitted on here good.
If you get more people watching
Ooh,
the show,
Ralph.
right? Well, I guess so. I know how to get more
No, he's good.
people watching the show. Well, how's that, Earl? We gotta get us some really famous guest stars on.
We had this snapback brother, or just kept it loose.
If you kept it loose, it might be okay.
Because it doesn't look like it's pulling as much.
Yeah, I'm trying to get his eye to like stay down. See, look, does that look better? Oh wait, no, it keeps coming off.
But if this pulled,
It'd be worse.
yeah.
I don't think he looks too bad.
Hi, everybody. I'm Billy.
This mask have to stay snapped to the skull.
It does, because it'll fall off if not. But, okay.
Oh, Earl, I'm so excited. I can hardly believe it. Barbara Streisand on our show. Thanks, Earl, for getting Barbara Streisand.
See, if only it could stay like that.
Folks, let's open the curtains and give Barbara a really warm showbiz welcome, shall we? I said, let's open the curtains now and really welcome Barbara Streisand. Open the curtains. Earl, the curtains won't open.
Well, this is it for now. We'll be back during the con, and hopefully we'll be able to work on more stuff. I'm just glad I kind of got my hands on it. This is the Billy mask that's going to be going on. So there's that. Furs over there. Mitchie and Beach Bear, they still got their curlers in. Beach Bear's got his new hand on. Duke's still faceless. And she's putting Rolf's face on.
Does this go here?
$9 p.m. July 10.
And now, the moment that you all been waiting for. The new Billy Bob mask is... I'll come for you, Skylar. And now, the other moment that you all been waiting for. The new Duke LaRue repainted mask is... BillyCon is tomorrow.
A show to lift your heart and light the southern sky.
Hours later.
Today is Billy Con. Genetics. But anyway, I'm gonna teach Beach Bear the words to this song so he can sing it. Now it goes like this. The thrill is gone.
BillyCon Day 2.
Hello? Once again.
Con's been great. I've been at my guest table most of the weekend because you guys, or at least the guys that have been here, have been amazing. Coming up for autographs, selfies, buying prints. It's been really cool. I debuted a new art print here that I'll go show you guys here in a minute.
Stop the music! Stop the music! Please! Beach Bear, I believe you need to have the guitar tuned up.
I quite agree, and I'm sure we'll all be thrown in jail for defacing that monumental song by Frank Sinatra. You'll undoubtedly have us thrown in jail.
Now you guys settle down back there. We're not going to get thrown in jail for just playing a little old song. We just trying to prove a point that a good song is a good song no matter when it was written. Those styles of music change from time to time. A good melody will always stand the test. You see? That's all we're trying to say here. Understand?
Hey, yeah, I think I got it. All right, now see, you can do Michael Jackson in an old style, sort of like Frank Sinatra.
It's been a hard day's night, and I've been working like a dog. When I get on to you, I find the things that you do will make me feel
BillyCon Day 3.
Wiggle like a worm in heaven. I can't talk. It's got hold of my soul. Somebody take it, please, y'all.
Lonely mother gazing out of the window, staring at a song that she just can't touch. If there anytime he's in the chair, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how, under the body lying cold and blood. Listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all. Don't go chasing waterfalls.
Don't go chasing.
Stick to the understand just why we can't be lovers when we are getting out of hand. It's trying to much, baby, we can get. Let it go. If you want me, girl, let me know. I am down on my knees. Take it and give you wrong. It's tearing up my heart. When we are apart, feeling too. And no without you. Baby, don't misunderstand. One of mine is the water of my mind. Baby, it feels like you're running out of time. Let it go. If you want me, girl, let me know. I am down on my knees. Can't take it anymore. It's tearing up my heart when I'm with you. When we are apart, I feel it too. And no matter what I do, I feel nothing when I'm without you.
That's cat.
I thought you guys might actually use it.
Come on, everybody, join me in the Lonely Bird.
Not person to look perfect.
We're having a party. Pass the pizza. Come on, come